Most people get this wrong and think Amazon gift card scams are obvious and easy to spot, but here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, these scams are more subtle, faster, and designed to look completely real. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Amazon gift card scams work, the warning signs you must never ignore, and the simple steps to protect your money. Let's jump straight in. Amazon gift card scams usually start with urgency. Someone pretends to be Amazon support, a bank agent, or even a delivery partner. They tell you there is a problem with your account. Then they push you to pay using gift cards. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Amazon will never ask you to pay fees, taxes, or verification charges using gift cards. That is the biggest red flag. If Alex receives a call saying, "Pay with an Amazon gift card to unlock your account," it is always a scam. But here's the problem. Scammers are getting smarter. They now use fake emails that look exactly like Amazon, complete with logos and support links. Jake once clicked one of these links and was taken to a fake login page that looked real enough to fool anyone. So let's break it down step by step so you can stay safe. First, understand the core rule. Amazon gift cards are only for purchases inside Amazon. They are never used for refunds, support verification, or security checks. Next, watch for urgency language. Scammers always say things like, "Act now, account will be locked," or "immediate payment required." Real Amazon communication never pressures you like that. Now here's where most people fail. They trust caller ID or email names. But scammers can fake phone numbers and email addresses easily. Just because it says Amazon does not mean it is Amazon. Another major warning sign is secrecy. If someone tells you not to tell Amazon support or family members, that is a clear scam pattern. Now let's talk about protection. If you ever receive a suspicious message, do not click any links. Instead, open the official Amazon app manually and check your account notifications. John avoided a scam just by doing this simple step. Also, never share your gift card code with anyone. Once a scammer gets it, the balance is gone instantly and cannot be recovered in most cases. If you are unsure, contact Amazon directly through the official help section. Do not use phone numbers or links provided in emails or messages. Let's summarize clearly. Amazon will never ask for gift cards as payment. Urgency is a scam signal, and all suspicious links should be avoided completely. If this helped you stay safe, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more real-world scam protection tips in 2026.